You have the right to refuse treatment. You have the right to know the content of every medicine. In fact, it goes down to the fact that before a person is administered a medicine, we in the hospital we don't get to see that. But before you are administered with any type of medication, they must let you know the content of the medication, even if it's an injection. By the time they want to draw the injection and all that, and they must tell you this is what it contains, this is what it does. And as a matter of fact, they're supposed to even ask you for a medical record if you have been taking treatment elsewhere, for them to know if you are allergic to a particular type of treatment. So, but what we see in Nigeria is that you are wheeled into the hospital or you walk into the hospital by yourself and they diagnose you. They may not even, some doctors may not even tell you what they found out from the diagnosis. Some of them who are now beginning to do it, they will tell you and then recommend the type of medication. Some on their own, they will assume the type of medication. They will only tell you, okay, this is what you're suffering. This is the medication we are going to give you. Come tomorrow, take injection in the morning. Come in the evening, take injection. You understand? But they don't go ahead to tell you this particular drug or this particular medicine contains this and this and this. But it is your right. But most of the times, when you don't ask, those things will not come out.